So gardening can be really fun and really easy, especially when you're using something like this guy. It's the battery operated blower. It's even got a function where you get into tight corners where it kind of does this whirling function. It's got different speed settings, so you know you can like really give yourself a blow wave, or you can do it really gently. The battery lasts for a good few hours in the garden, so if you've got a big area you can do it with ease. Look how quickly that was done without having to rake, of course, to get bags. And of course, leaves should not be put into bags. They should be put on the compost heap or blown directly into the garden beds where they're giving your plants good mulch, helping for water retention, and of course, adding that important humic content into the soil. So, you know what? This makes gardening seriously more funner, if that's a word.